What are they doing? Listen and repeat. Part 6. Make. Making. She is making a snowman. Watch. Watching. She is watching a movie on her laptop. Shake. Shaking. They are shaking hands in the library. Chase. Chasing. She is chasing him in the woods. Rake. Raking. He is raking his garden. Look. Looking. He is looking at the stars at night. Teach. Teaching. She is teaching math in her classroom. Paint. Painting. He is painting in his attic. Now it's your turn. What are they doing? What is she doing? What is she doing? What are they doing? What is she doing? What is he doing? What is he doing? What is she doing? What is he doing? Great job! Keep practicing.